How about the 6 skateboard challenge? What are we gonna do here? I've got the shortest skateboard that I own versus the skinniest and not so short. This is a J. Adams Z Flex. My street board, an all-around board, which is a real Chima Ferguson, 8.5. And then another 8.5, but this one's a cruiser. It's a welcome deck. 10.5. Single kick. It's a Shogo Kubo Dogtown. And then finally, a land yacht. I guess this thing's about 9.5 maybe, but we're going to kickflip all of them today. Let's see what happens.